in the Nightingale, you see, and then I woke up in a skip with Frank, so we're too late to enter the course.
Shall we let him? Come on, shall we let him?
Cheers. You're a very nice lady. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the lady.
Thank you.
Do you want me to hold that?
Thank you. Right, I'll just get Frank organised.
Okay, you get him organised. Ladies and gentlemen, Frank of Battersea Rescue with the fabulous Mr. Paul O'Grady. Now, I've been talking about the dogs, but this time I want to give you a little info about the handler. Quite involved. Just wait a minute. We'll give you the go. What you might not know is that this gentleman, all right, go. You can go, yes, yes. This gentleman was honoured by the Queen with an MBE in 2008.